Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to check if you can hide manual or credit card payment method using the Next Reorder app. So I'll also explain an important Shopify limitation you should know. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can choose the Next Reorder app. So for open the hide payment method, we can choose payment method, and here we can click on quick hide payment method. Okay, to configure the role, here we can give the role name as hide credit card. Okay, now the role status is activated. We can give the payment method like credit card. Okay, so that's it. Now in role preview, we can see that the hide credit card for all condition. So before that, we can go to the checkout section and let's see if there is credit card option or not. Yeah, here it is. So we can click on save. Okay, the role has been created. Go to the checkout section and let refresh. Okay, now we can see the credit card option is hidden now. Yeah, I think this is a United States supported store. That's it. So please note that hiding credit card payment method is only supported on eligible Shopify Plus store in supported region like United States and Canada. So if your store doesn't support it, it's a Shopify limitation, not a limitation of the Next Reorder app. So you have to note that. So suppose your store is the region other than the United States or Canada, this hiding credit card option is not supported. So that's I'm saying. So that's it. Now you know how to check whether credit card payment method can be hidden and when Shopify built-in limitation can apply. So that's it. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.